Welcome to the 3D tour of 4720 Northeast 14th Avenue, Pompano Beach, Florida, 33064. Nice house in Pompano Beach, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, single-family home with porcelain tile floors throughout. Updated kitchen, granite countertops, new roof, and HVAC system. Oversized lot in a quiet neighborhood, centrally located within 2 minutes from US 1, Walmart, and the beach. 4-car driveway with carport. Slab already poured behind structure to add an efficiency with full bathroom. Nice patio area, fenced-in backyard with a lot of space for a pool and use for RV storage. Landscaping and paver work create a private backyard oasis with fantastic mango and avocado trees. For open house on Sunday at 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. If interested, call Ivania Alvarado at 3054-014-516 or email us at ivaniarealtor@gmail.com. Visit our website at www.netrealtyservice.com.